How to get clients as a beginner barber to scale your career. Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Isaac Vera. If you are a beginner barber and you're struggling to get clients in your chair, today I'm gonna be breaking down exactly how to get clients, okay? And start scaling your career the right way. Because let's be real, your skills doesn't matter if no one sits in your chair. The good news is, even as a beginner barber, there are simple strategies to bring people and keep them into your chair and build momentum as you go through scaling your career as a barber. Okay, so step number one, start with your own circle of friends, of people that know you already. And start with people you already know, friends, family, co-workers, neighbors, or even local spots, or even local sports teams. Carry cards or QR codes with your booking info. The more people see your face, the more they'll think of you when they need a cut. Step number 5, professional experience. Clients come back for professionalism, not just a skill set. Be on time, keep your station clean, and treat every cut like it matters. People notice, and they'll come back just because of the experience that you gave to them. Okay, so here's the mindset shift. Here's what I want you to understand. Remember that every barber you look up to started with 0 clients. The difference is they put themselves out there, treated every client like gold, and stayed consistent until the chair was full. You can do the same. Just do it your way. So that's how you get clients as a beginner barber and start scaling your career. If this helped you somehow, drop a comment about what step you're starting out with, and hit that like button and subscribe for more barber growth tips and more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.